Hi, my name is Bob Krieger and I'm with Safety First. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the GPS unit on your Chevy Express van. From the packet, you're going to receive a few things. One, you're going to have the instructions on how to do the installation, as well as a few zip ties to help you throughout the process. Right? In another box, you're going to see the Y harness, as well as the Go device. This is going to be what you're going to install inside the vehicle. Once you have all of the hardware taken out of the boxes, you're going to be left with a harness, a Go device, and some zip ties, as well as the packet of adapters. The number one adapter is what you're going to look for in this container. Once you have the hardware out, you can take the Go device and connect it to the long end of the Y connector. You're going to simply connect the two pieces together and make sure that they're very snug, that there is no gap in between this section. Once that's done, you're going to use your zip tie to zip tie it up. Now you're going to take the short end of the Y connector and use the number one adapter and put them together. Should fit right on like that. Now you're going to take your metal clips that came along with it and apply them on each side to hold that adapter in place. Now we're at the vehicle, let's go inside and take a look. Now that we're at the vehicle, we're going to need to first take out the OBD2 port. There are two screws that are holding on the OBD2 port from the vehicle. You're going to need to use a 9/32 socket and your drill to remove the screws. Once you have removed the screws, the OBD2 port will be free. Once you have the OBD2 port removed, you're going to connect the Y harness to the OBD2. You're going to hear a series of beeps coming from the Go device. This starts the activation process. During the activation process, you're going to need to resecure the OBD2 port from the smaller Y connector, as well as secure the device up underneath the dash. One of the zip tie connections that you'll need to do is at the OBD2 port and the Y harness. As you can see here, you want to make sure that this is completely tugged and then tight with the OBD2. Once you've zip tied the original OBD2 port together with the Y harness, you're going to take the replacement of the OBD2 port with the existing screw and put it back where it was originally put. The last step of installation is securing the Go device to the vehicle. In order to do this, you're going to need to mount the device on a secure location underneath the dash. As you can see here, I've looped a zip tie around a piece of metal on the dash. You're going to insert the device into the loop and secure it tight and ensure that it doesn't move throughout the process. Any type of erroneous alerts may occur if the device is left loose. As the device is activating, you're going to see three lights, a red light, a green light, and a blue light. Once all of them are done, the installation is complete.